What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Sndl stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Sndl Growers Incorporated engaged in the production and distribution of flower, pre-rolls and vapes. It operates through the following segments: cannabis, ornamental flowers and corporate. The cannabis segment includes legal cultivation and distribution of cannabis products under federally regulated licenses issued by Health Canada. And we have three major news since I made my previous video, and the first one that Mexico set to legalize marijuana, becoming the world's largest market. Lawmakers in Mexico approved a bill Wednesday night to legalize recreational marijuana, a milestone for the country which is in the throes of a drug war and could become the world's largest cannabis market, leaving the United States between two pot-selling neighbors. And this is the major news for the entire continent, in my opinion, for the North America. And it will be a huge catalyst in nearest future for all the markets. Second major news that British American Tobacco is making an investment in Canadian pot grower Organigram Holdings. And it says this news is good for the sector in general, assuming BAT will use its leverage to help move the entire sector forward. And I totally agree with this opinion, because the more players we have on the field, the better will be the game. And the next major news is that stimulus checks could hit some bank accounts as soon as this weekend, White House says. As you know, $1,400 will receive each and every US citizen with the yearly income less than $75,000, and this money will partially appear on stock market as well. And the next news that might be very meaningful for this market is that after stimulus check, the ruling party seems to be in a rush to pass as much legislation as possible early on, as it risks losing its full control in 2022. Moreover, relaxing rules on cannabis is growing in popularity, not only among its left-leaning base, but also among the broader public. Achieving more widely supported wins would provide political help. And that's why I think the next target for Mr. Joe Biden will be a legalization of marijuana in the entire country. And this will give a huge opportunity for all the cannabis companies to grow. And just imagine that Sndl growers already have more than 610 million Canadian dollars plus 61 million Canadian dollars on their banking accounts. And this money will give a huge opportunity for the company to make some mergers and acquisitions, to make some purchases, or even to be bought by some greater player on this market, as we might see right here. And we have March 17th, and on next day, on March 18th, after Sndl Growers will announce earnings report, there will be a conference. And I think on this conference we will see major news for the company. And in my opinion, this news is also very impactful for the market in general and for the Sndl as well. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button, it helps me a lot. So, we are on a Sndl chart, and we are on 3 hours time frame. And as you can see, we have from my previous video spike of more than 14%, and it's very good sign for the company, especially if we compare the latest volume. It was completely green, we don't have any retracements so far. And here you can see new trend line that was established for the past 5 days. And here we can see a formation that is ascending triangle, and it is very likely that this formation will break to the upside. And I don't want to say that it will 100% guaranteed, but usually it will break to the upside. And as you know, all the major news that I mentioned above, this news might lead us to new spikes in the price. And let me show you the log scale, and let me unlock this trend line. and we have this trend line, and it is very respectful by the price. And as you can see from this formation, less likely we might go to the downside. And from this point we have a strong supports, and this will be just a new opportunity to you as an investor to add your position right here. Let me mark these levels and to go long. And you might even add your position right here at this formation. And let me show you daily time frames, and I will show you some good indicators. As you can see on MACD, we started to gain momentum, and in a couple of days I think we will be on a positive side. And on top of that, we will have this crossover that might indicate that we are completely on the bullish side. And according to RSI, as you can see, here is the strong support. We touched it right here, and the same point was when we touched the trend line as I drew before. And from this point, as you can see, we have this movement to the upside, and this means that we have some positive momentum to go to the upside. So our major point will be at March 17th and March 18th, where we will have new data from the C executives of this company. And I'm pretty sure that on March 18th we will see a huge price action. Basically, I don't know in what direction it will occur, but in my opinion we will go up. And in total, I'm very bullish on this company. I'm very bullish on this stock, and in worst case scenario we will have movement to the downside, and for me it will give an opportunity to just add my position with this company. And all in all, I think this sector, I mean cannabis sector, and this company, it will skyrocket in nearest future. I think 1 year from now we can see the price of Sndl stock as high as $5. And it's my personal opinion, but I completely bullish about this stock. Just imagine how much money do they have, and they are debt free. They have a lot of money. They started to invest their money in Diva, as you might see, and I think more mergers and acquisition to come, and we will see amazing news in nearest future. And these news they will be a huge catalyst for the price of the company and the price of the stock. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button, it helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time, bye!